Oh, must be connected. Oh, good afternoon and welcome back. Just finished work. Upload some more videos today. I'm still stuck on the can only upload 10 videos a day situation. So go ahead and head in and post some more videos. Wait, that was fucking awkward. There we go. Bloody hot to zip my jacket up today. Ball of sweat around me. Hopefully nothing's bloody flying out of my pocket. Cut him off a bit. Still got 3 tank left, so it should be right. Another few days without having to get any fuel. And I realise I'm pausing and leaving long pauses between sentences, but I think that's mainly because I'm paying attention. I'll be starting a sentence, getting halfway through, and see something I should be taking awareness of, and forgetting. uh, a couple of hours of mowing. That was probably the most painful thing. Only $2 a bloody litre for fuel. It's crazy. No, it's not as bad as it was during COVID. The end parts of COVID, is bloody paying $2 for the E10, which is like the cheapest fuel you can get. The policeman. They were following me back in from town yesterday. Right, what do we got going? Paying attention, bro. Good stuff. Actually, green traffic lights. There's only two sets of traffic lights in Grafton. One there and one towards where I'm going. Careful leaning too far, buddy. Scraped my boot along the ground the other day. So, at least it is once you bloody start riding on the bike. Nice breeze. Where the Alright, we're not going right behind this guy. We've got a bit of space off to the side. Where's my blinker on? Trying to keep it going. Side. He knows I'm here now though. It's coming up the other side of me. No, he's turning. Going through. He's not. Go. Nice and gentle around the roundabout. Speed it up. Cool. We're out of that one. Go have a quick look at the river, I think. Lambeth Air. Charging people for air now. Sure, it's just. What have we got? Good stuff. Fast. Attention, dodging that. Sure, attention. Moving good. Trees looking good again today. There's the bin chicken. What's this guy doing? Then off we go again. I know it's not very riveting commentary, but it is what it is. Like Queenslander right in front of me. You can tell because they have the maroon letters and numbers on their plates. Queenslanders and New South Wales people don't really have the best opinions of each other. Oh, that's that naked bike. Guy comes here all the time. Bloody hell, he's been on his L's for like nearly 2 years now. I think he keeps losing his license. Oh, made it. Bloody beautiful day. Not much breeze though, which is a bit sad. Scorching hot. Might be in this guy's way. Hop out of the way for it.